Hi everyone, it's SparklingChar and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming in today to show my project for the Craft Christmas All Year Round 2020, which is hosted by Paulette Fullard and Lisa Goss, the Happy Crafter. I've had so much fun creating this project. Let me show you what I use. I did use the gingham ribbons from Dollar Tree. They have so many colors. I think I'm gonna go back and get some more, all different kind of ribbons, because we have a new Dollar Tree by me, so I'm so excited. I used different kind of twine. My stamps I used is from Bo Bunny, and I forget where I get this one from, but I think they come from, sorry about the glare, they come from Tuesday Morning. And what else did I use? I used eyelets in different colors. I have different colors of these here, packages of these. And I also used my ink stamps from Stampin' Up, Emerald Envy, Real Red, Sweet Sugar Plum, and I used my Versamark ink. And I think that was all I used. And let me show you what I made. I was so excited to make these. For Christmas, I'm going to make a set for my sister-in-law because she loved doing gifts. So these are bowls with the matching tags. This is the first one that I made. This is the second one. So pretty, and I stickled them a little bit. Yeah, I used some stickle, of course, you know me, sparkling. This one here, Say Let It Snow. And I'll show you which paper pad I used. Some of them was just individual sheets that I got from Hobby Lobby, like this one. This one's really cute. I used a sticker from Mamby Stickers, some enamel dots, the to and from stamp also. That was from that stamping set. Some eyelash trim from Dollar Tree. This is the next one that I used. That was part of that stamp from Bo Bunny too. And this paper. And I'll show you the paper pad I used as well. And then this one here. Guys, these are so cute. Pretty tags to put. I also put dimensions on the back so you can just stick, you know, just stick it, the sticky, not dimensions. You just stick them on there. So yeah, so the paper pad I use is called Evergreen Cabin. So yeah, that's it on the screen there. So let's make one together right quick. So what you're gonna need is, oh yeah, you do need your, I also use this, my We Are Memories Keeper Punch. I love this tool. And so what you're gonna need is strips of paper. They're 1 inch long. You will need, this is to make your bow. You need 2 that are 8 by 1. You need 1 that's 7 by 1, 6 by 1. You will need 2 that is 4 by 1. 4 by 1. You also need 1 that's 3 by 1. And these right here, these pieces right here will make your bow. And for your tag, you will need the bottom piece is 4 by 2.5. Your next piece will be 2 3/4. I'm sorry, 3 3/4 by 2 1/4. And then your top piece will be the 3 1/2 by 2. So again, this is 4 by 2 1/2, 3 3/4 by 2 1/4, and then the top piece will be 3 1/2 by 2. So that's how you're gonna make your tag. Now, when making your, I'm gonna bring this up. You have to look this way. See this silver part right here? Let me get a pointer so you can see what I'm talking about. This part right here, that's where you're gonna line your center, your piece, your 1 inch piece in. And your your 8x1 is going to be lined up at 4, and you're going to punch it. You're going to flip it over, and you're going to punch the other side at 4. Then you're going to take this piece here, this tip right here, and you're going to put it halfway to that silver piece. You're going to punch. I don't know what's wrong with this. This always happens when you're on video, right? You're going to punch, you're going to flip it, and you're going to punch again. And you do that on each side. It's going to look like that. See that? Because you're making your bow. So we're going to do the other side and punch, punch. Now that's what you do for the strips. The 2 8x1s, the 7x1, and the 6x1 is done that way. Now for the 4x1, you're going to take it, you're just going to center it and punch. You're going to flip it over, center it, and punch. And your 4x1 pieces will look like this. Just like that, okay? So for the save time on the video, I've already done it. So that's all you would need with your memory keeper. Now to do the bows, you're going to take your score tool and you're just going to round it off. Give it a curve. Of course, you know how to do this, right? We're going to take it and we're going to glue the center. You do your 8x1 pieces like this, and your 7x1 and 6x1. You do those pieces like this. And you just center it. Make sure that it's even here. Make sure these two match up. And then you can use hot glue gun. I'm just using liquid glue. And you put it here. Hold it for a few minutes. And it will come out looking like this. So you do your 2 8x1, 7x1, and your 6x1. When you do that, you take your 2 8x8s, put them together, crisscross like this, as well as your 6x1. Your 2 8x1s go together, your 6x1 and 7x1 goes together, just like that. Okay? So once you get the 2 8x8s together, they're going to look like that. And then you can add your 7x1. It goes across like that, like in an angle, like you're making a petal flower. And we're going to add that this way. Hold it down for a few minutes. If you're using hot glue gun, it will go much quicker. I'm just trying not to have this video too long. And then I'm going to add my 6x1 piece. Going to go there. And then your 3x1 is your last piece that you will use. This is the piece here. And all you're going to do is take it and give it a round on each side. And we're going to glue that together like that, which I already have one done. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to put that right in the center. Just glue it down. And make sure you want it going like the same way as your, whichever way you put it. I'm going to put mine, I think I want to have it this way. Yeah, the way it nestles down in there best. That's the side you want to put it in. And you just hold that down for a few minutes. Now your 4x1 pieces, these will be your back wings, like your tip, your little bow tips. I already put one on, which it goes across. You see how it's coming across on each end? And all you're going to do is add the other one in a crisscross. It's going to crisscross each other just like that. Just like you crisscross the other bows. And it will come out like that. So we're going to add this one on. You can be generous with your glue. And I'm putting that on. I'm going to turn around just to make sure it looks nice. They really cute, guys, and they so simple to make. I was so inspired by Scrappy Bookworm, I'm sorry, when she did this some years ago, back maybe 4 or 5 years ago. This was a tag set that she made for a craft fair. Tag and bow. And there's your bow. Your bow is all done. So now we're going to move to the tag. Now, I've already cut the size. I left the last one to show you how you trim the sides down. You get your cutter and you put it on the 1.5 inch mark, which is here. You put it angled tip. See, can you see? Let me do it this way. You angle tip here at the 1.5 inch mark. You don't have to go all the way down. I usually go to the top right, hit this line. And then this one here, oh wait, no, it's this way. And this here line, your first line here, don't let it go past that line. Just angle it there. Make sure it stays on the 1.5 inch line here. And that way you're going to get some even cut tips. And you just cut that off. And then you just flip it over so you can do the other side. You just do the same thing here and here. Make sure they're even up. And you just slice that off like that. So that's how that's made. And then all you got to do is put this on here. Sorry about the background noise. It never fails when you're doing a video, right? And then you just angle them up side one another for your tag. Like so. It looks like this. And then you get your punch. And you just punch your hole in the center. Like so. And then if you're going to use a brad or whatever, you can do that. You just put that in there, which I already have mine made here. And I stamped Merry Christmas here. And I love how the paper just added that white part in the center. I put Merry Christmas there and I put to and from. The hole is punched there. Sorry about the background noise. That's the dog. And you put your eyelet in. And then we're going to close this up. Like so. Now that that's in, I have a piece of ribbon that's at least 4 to 5 inches long. And all I want to do is slide that in there. And if you have an eyelet, it's much easier for your ribbon to slide through. And we're going to get this even at the top, like so. And then I have another piece of ribbon. You can use twine or whatever, but this is a piece of ribbon that I had got from the Michaels. You know those ribbons that they sell in a pack? The little loose ribbons. They're called trim bundles. Yeah, so I took a piece from my trim bundle. And I'm going to wrap that around and make a bow. So I hope everyone is doing well. And you do so like that. And I'm going to tie a knot, then I'm going to tie a bow. And the reason I make it so long is so I can tie the bow really well. You can always double it. Sometimes I double it. But in this case, I'll just leave it like that. And I'm going to cut these down. And with these here too, I'm going to put them together so I can angle up my cut. Make it much neater. And there we have it. We have our bow. And you can put stickle on it if you like. I might give it a little shine. I'm running out because I love using this stuff. Just bling it up just a little bit on the white part. Not too much. So you can see it. And then I'll do it on the tag as well. And I'm going to put some, one more thing I'm going to add to this tag at the bottom. Just give it a little sparkle. And then I'm going to add some Frank Garcia sparkly gems. Say it in crystals. What am I looking for? Yeah. So I'm going to add a few of these at the bottom. Probably add like 3 if I had one more. I think this one. You don't have to add that, but I'm all about the sparkle, guys. So that is it. They're so quick to make. You can do your assembly line. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. I hope you like my bowls and my tags that I'm getting ready for to put on the Christmas gifts. I will still be crafting more because I took a couple of days off work. And I'm too excited about that. So that's my bow that we made together. These are the other sets here. So thank you for watching. And again, it's Craft Christmas all year round, 2020. You can jump in every month at the end of the month and do your little crafting. Save some time. So I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.